Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to connect, of course, your Godaddy domain with the Squarespace website. It's like a really simple tutorial, guys. Don't worry about it. It will be really easy, really simple, and with the simple steps we'll be showing you, you'll be able to connect your Squarespace with the Godaddy domain with ease. Of course, for all of that, first we need the Godaddy, of course. We have to have Godaddy open, and we should have our domain here ready for the, of course, connection. And we have to have a Squarespace website. If you have not designed a website, tell us down in the comments so we can maybe make a video about it too. You have a lot of popular designs you can use, and making a website here is pretty easy. Of course, in short, we'll just do a simple domain and CNMA change. But first of all, check for eligibility, of course. Before you begin, make sure your domain meets the prerequisite criteria for connecting to third-party domains. And if you have any delegation signer record on Godaddy, you have to disable them. You might ask what they are, of course, and you can see them on this simple website here that I had ready for you guys. We don't need any help, thank you. If you have any of those on your Godaddy website, you have to close it. You should just do that, otherwise it may not work. But once you do that, we can just connect our domain really easy. First of all, we launch Squarespace. And in the left side, we will see a domains panel by navigating to settings and then going to the domains. Of course, then when we do that, we will select use a domain I own. Once you click on it, you'll be able to input the full domain name you want to connect. Then, of course, you will put the domain name. And how do we get the domain name? We get the domain name from Godaddy. You get the, of course, domain from here as well, then put it in that section in the, of course, Squarespace. Then, of course, once you do that, you input the full domain name, tap the arrow button, select connect domain, and then we change our CNAME, which means canonical name, and A records. You have, of course, then from here, you have two setup options. If you want to connect Godaddy domain to Squarespace, you can do it with a DNS Connect, and you can do it with a name server connect. If you're using the name server connect, which is what I would recommend to you guys, you can just say get started in the let's connect your Godaddy domain panel. It will be in the Godaddy itself. Of course, to access your Godaddy account, you just sign in or log in from the top right corner. Then, of course, in the next, access to the update your name service panel. Then your DNS management settings from Godaddy account, head to name servers and select change. From there, you can choose enter my name servers, which is the advanced version, and copy paste these Squarespace name server records into the name server fields, which is just connect1.squarespace.dns.com and connect2.squarespace.dns.com. You can get them from Squarespace easily. And once that happens, you can just click save and then say yes, I consent. Return to the update your name service panel and click finish. Once you do that, it will be done and it will be connected. The DNS one is really simple as well. If you are using a DNS Connect, choose use DNS records in the connect section and then choose Godaddy, sign in, and of course you can then continue from there. Of course, the thing is, the most important step you can have in doing this is to just be patient, right guys? You should know this by now, because of course once you do that, if you are not patient, you will just not, like, it will be hard. Because you have to, like, wait it out. It can take up to 24 hours for name server connects and up to like 72 hours for DNS connect for the domain to start operating correctly. In that meantime, you can monitor the progress in the domain section and of course do troubleshooting if like any issues pop out. You can like reset the name server, you can log out, you can disconnect from the domain, or you can manually connect to your domain. But of course, don't be so focused on connecting domains that you forget the importance of SEO. Like, you should do your SEO first and then do the other stuff. Of course, like, then you can just like disconnect as well if you want. The disconnect is really easy. We don't even need to like do that at this point. And of course, once you get down with the whole thing, you can just like use GoDaddy's like any of the features real easy after you get your own domain and connect it to the website you built with Squarespace. Like, you might even think, is Squarespace even right for me? But if you are already like handled the other stuff, like the SEOs, like the good website, the articles and everything similar, you can definitely use a combo like GoDaddy and Squarespace and make the best website you can imagine. You can even get their like free website trials and do even better. But that's generally how that works, and I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. But in any other case, I hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.